Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Roblox and learning how to create your very own account on an Android device, so you can start exploring and gaming with friends in no time. First things first, you'll need to download the Roblox app. Head over to the Google Play Store, type in Roblox in the search bar, and hit that install button. It's quick and easy. Once the app is installed, just open it up to get started. You'll be greeted by the main screen. Here's where you'll find the Sign Up button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, it's time to enter your information. Begin by filling in your birthday. Then, choose a unique username that represents you in the game. Just remember not to use your real name for safety reasons. Next, create a strong password to keep your account secure. After that, you'll have the option to select your gender. This step is completely optional, so you can choose to skip it if you prefer. Finally, after ensuring all your information is correctly filled in, go ahead and tap the Sign Up button. And just like that, you've created your Roblox account. Now you're all set to explore the endless adventures waiting for you on Roblox. Happy gaming!